everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author and welcome to my quilting studio. Today is a great day. I have been waiting for this to come in for almost a year now. This is the Pink Door Fabrics pink door box. This is all full of the new Tula Pink, the new line that was just released. The gray line, I believe is what it's called. I haven't even opened it up, so I don't even know what's in here. So we are going to open this up. I love this box. Look at these polka dots. Aren't they cute? Look at how cute they are. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So I'm going to just go ahead and open this up, and we're going to see what's in here, because I don't even know. But I am super excited. I know the fabric is in here, but there's other goodies that are in here too that I'm just not really sure of. So we're going to open this together and take a look. Yay! So excited. So excited. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay. So you get this little insert which tells you everything that's included in your box. And I will link down below in the description box to where you can get these. This one is, I believe, my third Pink Door box that I've gotten. Every time that Tula Pink releases a new fabric line, they send these out. And they come out twice a year and sometimes quarterly. It just depends. Anyway, I'll link down below in the description box. You can check it out for yourself if you're interested. And then you can kind of go from there. Oh, so excited. Okay. We got some packing stuffing. Toss that aside. All right. So the first thing that we have, it looks like a class for a pattern that we could take. This is really cool. They have a K-Facet club as well, it looks like. I'm reading here. Sorry. Just looking. Like I said, I haven't seen this yet. The next one that's going to be released is called Floral Reef. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. I've seen it. It is beautiful. If you haven't seen the Floral Reef collection, you should go to Tula Pink's, either her Facebook or her Instagram page and check it out. It's really, really neat. You can get this is the pricing for it. And you will have to be billed for it on December 6th of this year. And it'll ship in April of 2026. You can change your box size anytime you want to or need to. But if you got the basic box, it's $89.95. A full yard box is $529.95. Half yard box, $299.95. And a fat quarter box is $199.95. So you get a lot of really cool stuff in here, I'm just going to say. So let me show you the coordinating fabrics first. So these are the Tula Pink solids, and these match with the gray line set that we have here. So I'm going to pull that out. We'll look at these once we pull everything out of the box. But here's the gray line. I showed you some of these the other day when I showed you the fabric that I picked up from the quilt store, but this is the whole collection here. So I'm excited to show that to you. We have some really pretty confetti. Yay! Celebrate! Here is a zipper. Looks like. Pretty. Ooh, it's gray. Look at that. And it's got like a rainbow color on the coils. That's really nice. Ooh, I like it. Can't wait to make something with this. Okay, so there's that one. it looks like we have some beautiful ribbons. Now, I like to use these ribbons like on the running with scissors bags that I make. I just think it adds so much to the bag. It looks so cool. Look at how pretty those are. I love that wolf. I'm just saying, I love the wolf. We have a Tula Pink 2.5 inch by 2.5 inch non-slip ruler. That's great for cutting our 2.5 inch squares. Another zipper. So we have a green zipper here. These are by Annie zippers, I do believe. They are by Annie zippers. Okay, so there's that. This is a ruler of some sort. I'm not sure what though. Let me look at my thing and I'll tell you. What's that? Acrylic spool from paper pieces. Keep your ribbons or binding neatly wound and easily accessible. So this is for your binding or your ribbon. This is great. I need this for my ribbons because I always have a problem with that. Yay, more stuff. More confetti. All right. We have some by Annie mesh fabric. Oh my God. Oh, I'm so excited. The Easy Does It pattern, the Peace Keeper pattern. These are by Annie patterns, by the way. I love her patterns. They are so beautiful and so much fun to make. This is a foundation paper piecing quilt pattern called Twinkle Star. Isn't that gorgeous? Just gorgeous, I'm telling you. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to start making this stuff here. We've got a bobsled. These are really neat. So what these do is you can store your needles in here. So it's like a storage tray for your needles. And then these bobbins here, you can use them for like your hand sewing. Like if you're doing like the hexagon pieces and things like that, you can use that thread to sew with. You can use it for binding. I've used it for binding a quilt. And it's just really neat to throw in like your little bag, like your project bag or whatever. You have this in there. That way you have your needles, you've got your threads, and you're good to go. And then we have our by Annie Soft and Stable so that we can make our bags. Yay! Oh, I'm so excited. And that is what is in my pink door box. All right, shall we look at the fabric? All right, so let's take a look here. Now, I have the half-yard bundle of these. I have my plastic bin here so that I can put my fabrics in there and keep them nice and sorted. Some of these you have seen, and some of these you have not. I always love how beautifully packaged these come. It almost makes me not want to undo them. But I'm going to undo them just for you. So let's open these up. Just untie it. Maybe I'll have to cut it. Who knows? But they are so pretty. And they're put in a specific order. And, okay, we're going to cut it. Because it'll take me forever to do if I don't. So we have, this is the lighter shade of the wolf pattern. I can't remember what this is called. Wolf of Pink Street, I think is what this is called. One of my very favorites. Next, we have the lighter shade of the polka dots. Aren't those cute? Oh, I love them. I need to refold this. Fold it right. There we go. Okay. And then we have the lighter stripes. These are the coordinating fabrics that go with the main prints of the fabrics. This is a really nice gray and light gray color palette. Really nice. You can see that they all kind of go together. So like this goes with this one really well. This is so cute. These are the puffins. Check them out. Aren't they adorable? Those little puffins. So cute. I just love her stuff because it's so colorful and vibrant and everything just goes together. It's just such a neat thing. Okay, I love these gray and white polka dots because like I told you, I'm obsessed with polka dots. These are called True Colors. So this is part of the Tula Pink True Colors collection. Same with this. Again, these are the birds. I've seen these before. I don't know why this reminds me of fairies, but it always does. Every time I see this print, that's what it reminds me of. But again, it goes with, like it coordinates with all the fabrics, as you can see. It's just really neat. Some more polka dots. Those are the smaller ones. These are the beautiful leopard that I love, where her spots are flowers. So pretty. I love these stripes. Look at how cool those are. The gray stripes, those are really nice. And again, it all coordinates, look. So see, you could actually coordinate it with that, or you could use a pop of color. You could do a pop of color like that right there. But look at that. Isn't that neat? We got some more of those. Then we have the sea lions, which are really cute. Aren't those adorable? Look how cute they are. It's just in a different color. So that's the darker with the polka dot, the smaller polka dots. These are the ones with the triangles, which I think is really neat. But here's the darker of the leopard. Isn't she beautiful? She's so pretty. And this actually goes really nice with it. So you could mix it up and put all kinds of colors in it and do borders with them. I mean, you could do a bunch of stuff with these. Even darker ones. Here's the Wolf of Pink Street in the dark charcoal color. I can't wait to fussy cut this one because that wolf is so beautiful. The black and gray polka dots. I love those. Check this one out. This one is really cute too. Look, it's the polar bear. Polar bears. What's this one called, I wonder? Just Barely. Look, the fabric has on the selvage edge, it has its little paw prints on there. Isn't that adorable? So if you save selvage edges, which I do, I've started doing that. It'd be so cute. It'd be cute on a bag to just use as like an embellishment. Another one of the dark with the triangles. The seals again in the dark. Colorful polka dots. And colorful stripes with the dark. That is that. That is the whole collection there. And then we have the true colors. I'm not going to untie these, but I'll show them to you so you can see the colors and how beautifully vibrant they are. And they match with all of these. Let me find one. Let me just find. We'll just go with this darker one here. So say we have this polar bear. And you wanted to, you know, use that. You could make that a larger border. And you could use any of these colors in it. You could use any of them. Look at that. They all pull from that. I love how they all coordinate together. They're just beautiful. Can't go wrong with any of it. So that is what was in my Tula Pink door box today. And I am so glad that it finally came because now I'm going to go play with it. I'm going to go cut into some of these fabrics. Anyway, if you would like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the little bell. You get notified each and every time that I upload an awesomely cool new video. And keep on crafting. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget, all information is down below in the description box. Bye-bye.